fix something with JB Weld Kwik Weld. What's up, everyone? So today, guess what? The new four-wheeler ATV, whatever you want to call it, well, it decided to give us a little problem. Not nothing major, but still a little bit. In two spots right here and right there, the welds broke, as you can see, both spots. So it's not that big of an issue. I already talked with my son, since it's his four-wheeler, and what we're going to do is we're just going to take off these two bolts and just take this whole bar off this rack. It's really pointless. You don't really use it. The only time we would use it is maybe for a small cooler, or for him to throw his tent on or something like that, you know, if we went out camping or something. But realistically, on an average day-to-day basis, he's not going to use the rack. So you still have the bar here, so you can move it and pick it up if you need to. So today's video is going to be how to use the JB Weld Kwik Weld. It's got a strength of 2,424 psi, set time in 6 minutes, cure time 4 to 6 hours, and then the color is a dark gray. They have a stronger JB Weld than that. That is 3,960 psi strength, but it takes longer to cure. And then they have a 1 minute cure. It cures in 1 minute and sets in 1 hour. JB Weld that has a strength just like 100 psi more than that one. I think it's like 29 something. But I had this one laying around. Obviously, you can look at the container in the package. It's a little old. What I did was I went ahead and I bent this back a little bit. That way, when I put it down on here, it's real tight against it, so it doesn't want to move. As you see, there's some pressure on it. Just get it lined up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little Dremel tool, and I'm going to go ahead and rough up around where I'm going to put the JB Weld, and that'll help it cure better to it. I went ahead and got the metal where I will be applying the JB Weld. I got the metal roughed up a little bit. It was easier for me to just take some sandpaper and just go at it. The reason you want to do that is because you want as much metal showing as you can, and that'll help it bond to it. And using the sandpaper will also make it rough, which would give it some texture and also help it grip and bond to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as my little mixer and tool to put on there. I would not really recommend using cardboard, but since I'm just showing you how to do it, I don't really care. It's not that big of a deal. We're not going to use the rack, like I said. After this video, I'm going to take it off. And now when you're using these, you're going to want to do a 1-to-1 or 50-50, however you want to look at it, same thing, mixture. So however much you use of the steel, you're going to want to use of the hardener. Since the hardener sat for so long, it couldn't get to come out the top, but I got it to come out the bottom. And this is why I do not recommend cardboard, because it likes to stick to it. You just go ahead. There you go, that's simple. Oh, just got it on the GoPro, damn it. Let me try to get some up here. Okay, got that one. Got that one. And got that one. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna just sit here and hold it. That's why I didn't get the GoPro and move it around while I was doing it, because I was already holding it with this hand and trying to work with that crap. Cardboard sucks. Don't use cardboard. But like I said, I was just doing this just to try to show you how to use the JB Kwik Weld. And depending upon how much hardener you use, and how much of the steel, will depend upon what color comes out. And like I said, mine's been sitting for a while, so it might not work 100%, but you still want to use it the same way. I don't really care if it works or not. Alright, so I let it sit for about 10 minutes now, since I put the JB Weld on it. Doesn't look too bad. There's that side. And then that one. Now, on the package it says it I think it was hardens, or no, cures in 6 minutes, hardens in 6 hours, something like that. I might have that backwards, but whatever it is. It's been about 10 minutes or so. And as you can see, I can pull the four-wheeler back. And it's not moving at all. Now, since it's late tonight, it's like 11:30. You know, if I wanted to, I could wait till tomorrow, come out here, lightly sand it to make it look all smooth, and shoot some black spray paint on it, call it a day. And I might spray it black, just so it looks a little better, but it's already pretty dark, so it doesn't look too out of whack. And like I said, since we're not going to use the rack, I'm going to leave it alone. That's how you JB Weld something with the JB Kwik Weld. If you're new, check out my other videos, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Till next time, peace.